Welcome to Da Nang. Salut mon ami. Let's take a little stroll. Also gonna show you some very interesting hotels today. I did a hotel review just today and I can tell you about some interesting places here. We're gonna go all the way to the main street and take a little stroll over there. Lots of things changing there all the time, but some hotels there are pretty good. And I never even thought about them. It's very interesting. So here is usually not a really busy street. So if you live here, it shouldn't be that much. But there's a school and at some peak hours, there might be parents picking up their children. This hotel I reviewed as well. It's called Grand Sunrise Ocean or something. Yeah, you can see here all the parents picking up the children. They're waiting there. As you can see here, Grand Sunrise Boutique. I did a review about that. I will put it in my description. Pretty good hotel actually. Can't go wrong with that. If you get it for a good price, $24, $25. Nice, clean, good layout, comfy bed. Very good. I'm gonna take a right. And here, in this street, this here, this is what it's called, okay? Phan Liem. And where we've just been was Le Lo. And now we're walking the Phan Liem. Yes. How you doing?
I'm one of your followers on your chain.
Oh, okay, awesome.
I got some of your information and I recognize you.
Okay. I'm just filming now a walking
Okay,
tour.
go.
No worry. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right. We have a full market here. This is the 7-Eleven of Da Nang, because we don't have 7-Eleven here. There are 7-Elevens in Saigon, but not here. I think there are no 7-Elevens in Hanoi either, if I'm not wrong. Have you ever seen a 7-Eleven in Hanoi? Comment below, please. And here are this electric, most likely this is the electric station here. It's very dangerous, these places. I don't want to be close to those electric charging places. Because I've seen too many times those burn down. That's what I don't like about electric cars. Too dangerous. Lots of Chinese places here as well. This is a barbecue place. Hai San means always seafood and barbecue. So this is the Coral Cove Hotel. I also did a review about that. Pretty interesting place, very close to the beach. So this is just one block from the beach. It's just this big block away. And then Palma, guys, this is a very, very good deal, guys. This is a very good deal. My friend Marcus just sent another subscriber and member from us to Palma to have a breakfast. So they actually have breakfast for 130,000 dong. A breakfast buffet. Very interesting. Hello. Thank you. So they have breakfast buffet here at Palma, 130,000 dong, that's around $5, $5.50 for a breakfast buffet. So if you don't have breakfast on your hotel or your stay and you want to have a buffet, that might be an option. There are lots of Vietnamese restaurants here in this street. Here are also some very popular banh mi's. Here, this is also, oh, actually, someone just asked me about that. What is the closest seafood place where you can get snails? And it is close to the Antung area. That might be it here. That's the closest one, the closest local option. Abalones, they have everything. We are here now at the Chan Bac Dan Street. I will show you the sign right in a minute. Then we're also gonna go to the left to a main street. Sea Wind Hotel. This is the street name where we are now, Chan Bac Dan. Here. straight. And now we're gonna go to the left. It's gonna be another street. There's very famous bread and butter and Highlands coffee. The Highlands Reserved here. It's almost like Starbucks Reserved. Very fancy. Here another seafood place. And here, shout out to Indochina Micha, my good German member. He always likes to go to Pandas Bar. He likes it there. It's not the cheapest, but it's a good place, he said. This here is what we reviewed today. This place, Mercy Emerald Hotel. It's very popular on the Agoda. And this is what we reviewed. I will also have it right in the after this video. I will have it linked below and in the video too. Kung Fu Panda. My Chinese friend brought me there once and it was super spicy. Those beef spicy oil is brutal. And this is Mad City here, right next to Diner 66, which is American. Looks pretty cool in there. And this is where you can buy bicycles actually. Even racing bikes, mountain bikes, all kinds of stuff. There's some more Ruby Star Hotel. I haven't reviewed that yet. And if you want to buy some Western products, Moon Milk is also good. There's also in the Antung 2, or no, Chanvakdan, there's another Moon Milk. But this one is also here, very close, very good. This is a very solid restaurant here too. More catered to Westerners and for tourists, but it is very good, very clean, very nice. I can't say anything against it. It's overpriced by double or triple, but it is very nice. And the owner is very nice too, so yeah. I ate there, I think 2 times, and 2 times it was good. And very friendly. So, all good. Cubage apartment, interesting. Gotta check that out. I think they have a pool up there too. It's an apartment building. But it's on the main street, guys. Not sure if that's gonna be good. Here's also seafood. Seafood and snails. You can get them pretty much everywhere in the city. I would always go for those kind of places. Way better price, and it's the same fresh seafood. It's just the tables are not as fancy and you sit outside. But the food is the same. But now we're gonna go to the second hotel I reviewed today. Or in the video it was the first one. So this is also a beer place here. You can get good offers for beer and beer food. So there's specific dishes in Vietnam that get served. This is a fine of 6 million now. It's driving on the wrong side of the street. Vietnam is very strict on traffic violations now. Since this year. I'm not sure how crazy they implement those violations, but so this is this big street here, which goes all the way to this street goes all the way to the airport, or it goes all the way to the beach, okay? And this is the street, the hotel name, Royal Lotus Hotel, Nguyen Phan Toi, Nguyen Phan Toi. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. But this hotel we reviewed, very big hotel, 192 rooms. It's more of a group place, like a group tour hotel. But actually it has some nice hotels. It was good. It was good actually. I liked it. It's just like a Instagrammable coffee shop. It's called Login Coffee. And after that, we're almost there. But also, we're gonna show you another ATM Marcus does not like at all. But this here, I like. very much. Yen Buffet. Yen Buffet is another Japanese buffet place. Very good. Pharma City is a big chain for pharmacies. And here on the left I cannot film because that's the army. But here are on the other side, very interesting, pepue, nice rice dishes. And right next to it is Thai market. But if you really want to have good food, go to these side streets. All those side streets, you cannot go wrong. Nothing will happen here, guys. Just all on this big street, go all the way to the side. Always in the side streets. There are the good food spots, guys. My God. There are the good food spots. This is also a very interesting buffet place. A barbecue buffet place. Dom Dom. I had it once, it was like okay, but it wasn't that good as Yen. But some people actually like that more, so it's all up to you. And this is the hotel I reviewed today. Rice Mount Premier Resort. Very nice. This place looks like Santorini inside. But yeah, and Marcus fell in love today with a lady who opened our doors. He was in love. He's still talking about her. And that's also a very interesting place, a very interesting massage place. But yeah, that's about it. How you doing? I'm good.
Best bank to go to?
The best bank, your TP, over there, straight on. And then keep it on the left. It's T and P.
Okay, T and P, and it's on the right?
No, it's here on the left. But you walk straight,
Yes.
and it's on the left side. TP. It's not far. It's maybe
Hey,
5 minutes more.
great job, man. Thank you.
You're welcome, man. All right, have a good day. Okay, guys, so this place, Marcus fell in love. Check out the video over here. It's gonna be a fun one. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.